Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a hack video today because I noticed you guys seem to like the hack videos, something quick and easy. So yeah, we're going to be doing a hair hack today, how to make your hair look double its length. Yeah, because I know we all want to have that long hair. Yeah. Okay, so literally the only two things that you need for this hack is your hairbrush and a hair tie. So easy, so simple. So I'm gonna jump straight into it. So what you wanna do first is you just wanna put all your hair back and just brush it all back like this. So you would do it as if you was gonna do half up, half down, but not literally like through. You want to just kind of scoop it up, start scooping your hair from the back of your neck and just scoop it up with your fingers and just hold it as if you was to do a ponytail. But as you scoop it up from the back of your neck, you just want to leave this middle, what am I saying? God, it's Friday, so I don't know what I'm really saying at the moment. But yeah, so you just want to leave the little bottom bit in the middle bottom bit of your hair. If I turn around, maybe I can show you better. So you want to just leave that bottom bit out here and secure once you've flattened it out. Sorry, you just take a brush and you just, so you can see what I've done. Now you just want to secure that as a pony with your hair tie, like that. And you've still got this bottom section here loose out, and you just tie it like that. And then we literally, like my pony would usually finish a lot less, but now it kind of looks like I've got the illusion of longer hair. So yeah, this hairstyle is super easy, literally took me less than, I'd say, 20 seconds. And yes, so I hope you guys try this out. Love it. Great for work if you're just going to the park, or you know, you just want something kind of like casual, easy to do but still nice. So, and you could even curl like the ends of your hair as well if you kind of wanted to go for that kind of curly look. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you try this look out because it's one of my favorite hairstyles. And like I said, it takes no time and is super easy to do. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.